Hey, this is Patrick, and in this video I'm going to talk about Object Snap. What that is how the app knows and tries to snap one object to another. There's a lot of options here, some that can be very helpful, and there may be a case or two where you don't want to use the snapping. So I'm going to cover both those cases. By default, we have an option under our settings dialog called Object Snap. And then within it, we have a series of Object Snap settings where you can go in and tell the app, hey, when I get to another endpoint, or when I'm seeing the grid lines or an edge, automatically snap one object to another. So that's very useful to help get a line or another object snapped to another one as you intend. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a line here, and you can see as I snap to it in that top left corner, there is an X in that magnification showing that I snapped to something. So that's great and very useful. Helps you kind of get things, either objects or lines, connected together. But there's also a case to be made when perhaps it's in a very complex area and essentially ArcSite is just a computer program and it's stupid. It doesn't know really what you want to do in that case. So I'm just got a little area here with a whole bunch of lines. So in this case, those settings can overlap on top of each other and the app doesn't really know what to do. So in that case, you can turn off settings temporarily and kind of override it yourself and pick how things connect together. So what I'm going to do is start drawing another line. And as you can see, when I get there, it's trying to snap all over the place, right? Maybe that's where I want to snap. If you see that, again, in the top left corner of that magnification. So I can certainly do it. And one thing to be mentioned is the more you zoom in on where you're going to connect, the less it has trouble determining what it should snap to. But often you will be working at a level where it's hard for the app to know. So in that case, you can come into here, into settings again, and at a high level, toggle off object snap. Once I've done that, then none of those snap points are on, and I can just come and pick my own point without having to rely on or be forced to rely on the app telling me where I want to snap to. That's it. Thank you.